I am attempting to pack in a carry-on only for a 7-day Caribbean cruise that leaves out of San Juan, Puerto Rico. I'm also flying down 2 days early, which means this is going to be a 9-day trip, 9 days, 9 nights, and I'm going to challenge myself to pack in just a carry-on. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have already pulled out all of the clothes that I want to bring with me on this trip. So I'm going to take you through everything that I want to bring, and then the challenge is going to be if I can fit it into my carry-on. I am going to be using packing cubes. So I have 2 different kinds. I have this kind, the compression ones, and then I also have just the regular packing cube types that don't compress. I am using the Level 8 Luminous Textured Carry-On. I've used this bag for multiple trips in this amazing green color here. I absolutely love this carry-on. I have taken it with me on probably 3 trips already just in the last year, and it really does fit quite a bit. This is the traditional carry-on size, not the larger carry-on that you get with some of the other competitor companies. All of the restrictions that come along with the carry-on size, it will fit pretty much every single airline I've ever flown on, international and domestic, but this is a domestic trip since I'm flying to San Juan, Puerto Rico, which is a US territory. And I'll show you all the features a little bit later. And there is also a promo for this piece of luggage happening right now. So if you want a discount, I will give you that information here in a minute. Let's talk about what I'm bringing with me. So clothing wise, this is definitely the biggest challenge of the entire thing. I've got all the clothes out that I think I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna show you each category, tell you my logic behind why I'm bringing a certain number of certain things, and we'll get into actually packing it all. First things first, workout clothes. So the reason I'm going to show you these first is because these are the first things I'm going to pack. In the bottom of my suitcase, you will see that the handle is going to create these like divots, which allows you to kind of squeeze things into those spaces in between. And I like to put my workout clothes there because I do like to work out on vacation. Top, bottom. I have 4 different sets, and I'm going to try to squeeze those smaller pieces of clothing into the very bottom, and then I set the packing cubes on top of that so that it's a flat surface for the packing cubes to go on top of. And then my swimsuit cover-up. So I have a long sleeve like crochet sweater top, a crochet cover-up dress, another type of cover-up dress. This is a different style. This is sort of in the cover-up category, but I have a pair of cotton shorts and a pair of cotton pants. And then I have these 2 button-down long sleeve tops, and I wear these with like absolutely everything. They can be put over top of anything. They're so soft. They're 100% cotton and they wash very easily. They're my favorite. And then we have PJs. So I have 2 pairs of shorts and a t-shirt. So the other thing I'm bringing, which you need to know if you go on Virgin Voyages, which is the cruise line I'm cruising on, Virgin has a pajama party on the very first night. So I am bringing a little PJ set. And then I've got a skirt that has shorts built in. So I'm doing a hike on one of the days of my cruise, a rainforest hike. So I'll bring this. Very versatile. I can wear that on excursions. And then I have a whole bunch of tank tops. So these tank tops usually I just bring like black and white mix. I have a green one here. I probably have like 6. I like to wear them over my bathing suits. I will be able to do laundry on this cruise thanks to my perks with Virgin Voyages. When you're on a cruise, you do tend to change more often than you think during the day, especially on a Caribbean cruise when you're going to be out by the pool and you're going to be doing different activities, and then you're changing for the evening or you're going on excursions. So you kind of need variety. And then I have a nicer top that I will wear with what's the next category, which is evening wear. So I have this pair of pants here that I'll wear like this white tank top with, and that's one of my dinner outfits. Moving on then to my dinner outfits. So I do like to dress up in the evenings. I like to wear dresses and look nice. I have pulled out, I think 8 or 9 different evening dresses. This is going to be the biggest challenge of the whole packing because all of these are, as you can see, long. They take up a lot of space. Fitting all of these into one packing cube going into my suitcase is going to be the hardest thing that I do in this packing video. As far as clothing, I think that's it. And then back here in the back next to my sweet kitty, I have my outfit I'm actually going to wear on the plane. Oh, of course, one last thing. I have already packed these, but these are all of my swimsuits. This is a good example of the compression packing cube. You can see that here is the zipper that actually opens up to the bathing suits. This is all bathing suits I've put in this packing cube. Yes, there's a lot of them. Yes, I'm gonna wear a different one every day. That's what I do. I was not able to fully compress this, but I was able to do a little bit of compression. So if you see here, you can see there's a second zipper. I was able to close it almost halfway until it just wouldn't go anymore because it's just too full. So that's how the compression would work. It actually cuts it down by almost half. You can see how much smaller this section is compared to the bottom section. So I have a plan for how I'm gonna fit this in my suitcase, and I will show you that in a second. Now the fun begins. It's time to put all of this stuff inside the packing cubes. Okay, first packing cube is full. So this, I was trying to put all of my cotton and larger bulky items in this. The only thing I wasn't able to fit, these pants, because they're just thicker. So I have a plan for them. I'm gonna try and fit them in a different way. And now I'm gonna do all of the dresses and evening wear. Yes, it is all going to be wrinkled. That's why I always bring like the Downy anti-wrinkle spray. I have it. Downy wrinkle release. This stuff is amazing. Really works to get the wrinkles out of your clothes after being stuffed and squeezed into these tiny little packing cubes. Let's keep going. Okay, all of the evening stuff is in this packing cube. Let's see if I can fit these in on top. Should be able to. Let me tell you, this is a gigantic packing cube. You can fit a lot in here. I could fit more in here if I wanted, but I'm not going to because I don't want it to be too tall. I need this to flatten down as much as I can. This is a clamshell, so it opens on the side here. I need it to not be taller than like this height right here. This packing cube is done. So we have 3 packing cubes. I don't think I'm gonna put all of this into a separate packing cube because I don't think there's space. Now let's try to put it all in the actual suitcase. So let me show you the cool features about this bag. As I said earlier, this is a clamshell. It has 2 zip mesh pockets here on this side, then the clamshell half here that is not on the side of the handle, so it's completely flat. I usually put hard items, sometimes clothes, extras that go with me on vacation. And then on this side you have another mesh divider, and this is the compression mesh. So this actually keeps everything, like mostly the clothes that I put on this side, all contained nicely. I really love this suitcase. I think it's so well made. I love the zipper pockets. So I've already put in all of my undergarments here. So all I need to do is start from this side. So what I might try to do is actually split them into 2 different packing cubes. I have this one and this one. I think both of them can fit. And then I still have the other side of the suitcase to use too. So this way it gives me a little bit more room to play around, move around some things. So I'm gonna split these into 2 cubes, then we're gonna go from there. fit about half of my evening clothes into this packing cube, and we're gonna try and squeeze these 3 cubes here all into one side of the suitcase, and then I'll put the rest of the stuff on the other side. Ta-da! It's not perfect, but it's in there, and that's all we needed. Now we have this whole side to do the rest. All done. This is the rest of the evening clothes, so I'm gonna put this on the other side of the suitcase, and then I have all the rest of the space to fit in the rest of my tops and then my shoes and extras. Actually, we put this on this side where it doesn't have the wheel wells, and then that closes easily here. Perfect. Okay. Now I have to find a way to get all of my tank tops and things squeezed in around and still have room for my shoes. So a couple of things I can probably put into my personal item, because I am bringing a personal item, and the only thing that's really going in there is going to be my like cords, chargers, and all my camera equipment. But I'll show you that personal item in just a second. So I can probably fit a couple of things in there if I need to, but let's try to fit this in here. Okay, I think that's good for now. I'm gonna just put this stuff here for a second because I wanna pack in my shoes first, and then I will figure out how to put the rest of the stuff in here. So for shoes, I'll move this here so I can show you my shoes. I am bringing, I think, 4 or 5 pairs of shoes, and they all have a purpose. I'm bringing this one set of small heels. That's all I need for my dinner wear. And then I also bringing a couple of dressy sandals for the evening because I don't always like to wear heels. So I bring, these are my like dressier ones. And then I also have this pair, slightly less dressy, but very, very comfortable. Lastly, my Birkenstocks. These are my water shoes. So wearing to the pool, to the beach, anywhere around water. Heels, I can squeeze these in here. Sandals can go there. These are very flat, so they're easy to pack. Perfect. Bring the camera closer so you can see. So these are my 4 pairs, and then I'm also bringing running shoes, my sneakers, but I'll be wearing those, so those will be on my feet while traveling. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay something flat over the shoes and then put the rest of the clothes on top because I don't want these shoes to get my clean clothes dirty. So I have this bag here that I'm gonna use for the pool. This is what my beach bag is going to be. It was the free bag I got from Holland America. So I'm gonna just lay this on top and then put the clothes that I'm gonna bring right on top of it here so that they don't touch the shoes. I know you're thinking, what about your toiletries? What about sunscreen? Don't worry, I have a plan for all of that. It is going in my personal item, and I will show you that in one second, but let's close this up and see how she does. There you go. All closed on both sides. We just close her up. I thought it couldn't be done. So the cool thing about this suitcase is that it has amazing rolling wheels underneath. Love the fact that you can roll it in any direction. Very smooth. And then you have, of course, the TSA lock. This is how you would close it. Once you set it to its correct combination, and then you can close it by putting the zippers in right there, and then move your combination around, lock it. There you go. Fully locked, and it's ready to be taken to the airport. While we're on the topic of packing and packing in my level 8 suitcase, level 8 is running an amazing deal right now. It starts on March 24th, today, the day this video is being posted. 20% off this luggage, the Luminous Textured Collection. I'm lifting it up fully packed here so you can see how light it is, even when it is fully packed to the brim. Completely full of all the things I'm bringing with me. Not only can you get 20% off right now with Amazon spring sale, but you can also get an additional 5% off using my code. I will put it in the description box below. The quality is top notch, and I can say that as a very frequent traveler. If you wanna go check it out, go to the link in my description box below to see their Amazon spring sale. We still have some more packing to do. Let's get back to it. Ignore the fact that it looks fully packed, it's not. This is my personal item. So while I am not affiliated with this company, CalPack makes this bag. It is the perfect size to fit underneath the seat in front of you on most airlines. So I've pulled everything out here that I'm planning to put into this bag. I've got my toiletries together. I have all my extras. First things, this is one of my cameras, my pocket camera. It's very small and compact. And then I have my toiletry bag. Hair wash, shampoo, body wash, face cream. This will go in the bottom here. This is my makeup bag. I might even be able to pare this down a little bit more. That down, but it'll go right in the bottom. Pool stuff. So I have lots of sunscreen in there. It's an easy grab and go thing that I just put inside my tote bag when I'm going to the pool. And then I also have an evening bag. So obviously I need something to carry when I'm walking around the ship at night. What I'm gonna do is I have a couple other things I'm gonna put inside this evening bag. This is a little like wet, dry laundry bag that I put all my dirty laundry into. This thing is amazing. It's truly waterproof. And then inside I have a waterproof phone case. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of snorkeling, a lot of time in the water, around the water. I love this thing. I brought it with me on so many trips and it has never led me astray. I put my little bag and a waterproof pouch, the dry bag and sunglasses in here. And then it's still pretty flat. I'm gonna put this at the bottom as well. The only other thing here, this is actually a backpack, and this is actually waterproof, water resistant. Bringing that as well. And then I have the rest of my camera gear here. So I have several like tripods, all the stuff that you probably will not have to worry about. That goes in here. And then of course the camera that I'm using to film this. This is my other waterproof camera. And that's it. Look how much space there is still in there. This is my beach hat, so this can just fold down. Yeah, that's it. Look at that. There's still so much space in here that I could fit other stuff. So what I can do is the things I did not fit in, put this out. Obviously my wallet will go in here, it's really small, and my Kindle. And then I'll probably put my laptop in here too. It'll easily fit in this back pocket. I've brought it many times with me before. Squeeze the hat back in. And y'all, that is it. Super light. Can't forget my anti-wrinkle spray. We're done. So that is everything I am bringing with me on my 7-day cruise, 9-day trip in a personal item and my amazing level 8 luminous textured carry-on that I love so much. These two are the perfect little pair. So if we pull this out here, you just put this little trolley sleeve right over the top. And look at that. How cute. And trust me when I say I have traveled with these exact size things before. So if you don't believe me that this will fit under the seat, it does. It does. On American Airlines, I know for a fact it does. This is everything I'm bringing with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the first pack with me that I've ever done, so hopefully it turned out okay. I thought this was the perfect opportunity to showcase my luggage in time for the Amazon spring sale for level 8, and also just show you what I do, because I do get questions all the time. How do you pack for these trips? What do you bring? This is what I bring. I hope this was informative. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in cruising and travel content, give me a follow, subscribe to my channel, and you will get notified for new videos that are coming out. Thanks so much for watching again. Happy cruising, happy travels. I will see you next time.